I'm struggling today. Like, real life struggling. What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and I'm here today. I'm curling my hair, getting ready for school. I just wanted to show you guys the process. So right now I'm working with my Conair curling iron, and obviously you can see that it has not toilet paper, it has paper towels wrapped around the little piece where you have to use it, and that's because I lost a piece, because this curling iron is at least 10 years old and still working fabulously, but the piece is gone. So I'm thinking about getting another curling iron. I don't know, I actually have one in mind. I wanted to get the Babyless curling iron, but maybe that's gonna happen later, no time soon. But right now I'm just curling my hair, doing some pieces towards my face, doing some pieces away from my face, just to get it to be more voluminous, and you guys just can see the whole process of what's going on. And I'll be back in a couple minutes. Also, guys, make sure you guys use some heat protectant on your hair, just so the hair won't get all damaged, heat damaged. But right now I'm starting on the front section. I'm using the back of, I'm parting it in two pieces, and the back piece is going to be going towards my face, and the front piece on this part is going to be going away from my face. I went somewhere. Where did I go? Now I'm back. Yep. And now I'm just parting it, brushing it through, curling the back towards my face. And then the next piece is going to be away from my face. Now, pinning and curling it is helps the curl to stay intact, stay in its shape, just so it looks flawless at the end of the results. now that I'm done, I'm gonna put the wig on my head. I already have my ball cap on my head, ready to go. So I'm just gonna put the wig where I want it to be, fixing the ball cap because a piece of my lace is messed up, so I had to push the ball cap back and cut it just to make it look more seamless and flawless, and don't show the lace. So my hair is secured now. I'm going to be taking the styling joints off. I forgot what they call. I call them joints. I'm gonna be taking that off, and I'm gonna be using some alcohol just to get rid of all of the unneeded glue that's around my head. Next, I'm gonna be using my body, with coconut and shea oils, wrap me, foaming mousse, I'm about to call it lotion, and just doing my edges. So now that I'm finished tying my hair up with this, or laying my hair down with the styling strips, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. Now I do light strokes due to me not wearing makeup. I'm doing light strokes so it doesn't look so heavy, it just looks natural. I'm just drawing on my wing, because my wing, not even for some odd reason, my wing is gone, y'all. My wing is gone on my left hand side, and I'm mad because them damn man, them people fucked up my eyebrows. Okay, we just gonna keep it like that. They messed up my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna be doing each side light strokes, and then I'm gonna be going in with my concealer, my ColourPop No Filter concealer in the color Dark 46. And it really matches my skin tone more than anything, so that was the best to use. And then on the top part, I don't know if I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna show it afterwards. I'm just gonna be using my brush to blend it in now. And then afterwards, after I finish blending it in, I'm going to be using my foundation, my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Genia, I think it's called. I think that's how you pronounce it. But I'm gonna be using that, and I'm gonna be using that up on the top of my eyebrows, like so. Now that my baby hairs are done, I'm just gonna be taking the pin curls out. I sped it up for you because y'all know how to take pin curls out. Like, that's the most easiest part of this. Like, that's the most easiest part of doing your hair, taking the pin curls out, because then you get to see the results, and you won't gonna be looking bomb. Yo, look at these results. Slow it down for you just so y'all can see. Bow, bow. Ooh, flip your hair, girl. You look cute, babe. Yup. Alright, guys, so I am back. I want to show y'all. I didn't get to moisturize my face. I'm gonna just spray some Mario Badescu, but I put this on my face, let that shit set in, and I'm gonna just put on a little bit of moisturizer, just a little bit, cause don't want my face to be all nasty looking. So this is my hair right now. I'll show you the back. My hair, and I'm gonna just comb through it. And voila, you got it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow my social medias, Instagram and Twitter. I have 2 Instagrams and 1 Twitter. Make sure you guys follow that, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified on all my videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell in my on my Instagrams either, so you guys can be notified on when I post videos on my Instagram as well. So I will see you guys in my next video. And I just wanted to come back and show y'all my hair and how it held up. So let me see if I can try and stand up and show y'all. As you can see, the curls have fallen. Like somewhat. Some on the left hand side have fallen mostly, but on the right hand side they're still holding up fine. So the hair holds up a curl, but not for long, which is a little bit upsetting, but still, like, I think when the curls drop, they do look cute. They do look cute too. But the look was very successful. I love it. The curls popping. I would say if you want your curls to last longer, I would say just do layers, and I think they would last longer, especially with 30 inches. 30 inches usually they tend to drop. So just wanted to let y'all know that, and I will see you guys in my next video.